Life is also a crossroad, and most of us don't know which route to choose. Nowadays, this is the condition of most of the youngsters. They don't know which career to choose. Who should guide them? Who should resolve the dilemma? So come with me.
Ishan Institute of Management and Technology is an outstanding institution in the field of management and technical education. With its huge campus, state-of-art architecture and latest technology, Ishan has been a brand name for more than a decade. A meager intake capacity of 60 seats was what Ishan started with in year 1994 in Karol Bagh. As they say, one small step starts a revolution. It was in 1996 that the permanent building of the institute was inaugurated at Greater Noida. The journey started from there and got bigger and better day by day. Ishan's pollution-free and smoke-free campus, spread over 44,000 square meters, is situated in the heart of institutional complex in NCR, that's Greater Noida. The campus of the institute is encouraging in its setting with well-manicured lawns, flower bed and band of beautiful flowers that energizes mind, body and soul. Ishan offers wide range of programs in management and technology. The courses include postgraduate diploma in business management, marketing management, international business, human resource management, and finance management. Course curriculum of various programs in Ishan is designed in such a manner that it guides the students towards understanding of business and corporate culture. Apart from learning the art of business, they also play a key role in building a successful nation. Ishan, which means the third eye of Lord Shiva, came in the form of Ishan Institute of Management and Technology, which is a dream come true for Dr. Dharmendra Kumar Garg. Dr. Garg, a philanthropist and a visionary, was born on January 1, 1962 in a small village, Raunija, in the Bulandshahr district of Uttar Pradesh. Sensing the huge demand of management and information technology education in India, Dr. Garg established Ishan Institute through his futuristic approach, untiring effort and far-sighted vision. Apart from being a visionary, there is no substitute to Dr. Garg's imagination, which can be assessed through a series of books. Dr. Garg's book, Fir Wahi Talash, was released by K. Rahman Khan, Deputy Chairman of Rajya Sabha. Yaadein, Muavza and Nishabd are his other memorable books. With the honors like BCom, FCA, LLB, MBA, PhD and DLED degrees, he has also edited more than 1300 research projects of PhD level. Dr. Garg is a successful chartered accountant and an accomplished educationist, manager and yoga guru. Besides being interested in undertaking social works and tree plantation, he is also a member of many organizations of national importance. Ishan promises only one thing, and that is the quality of education, which is evident from its ranking among the best 25 B schools in India and is ranked 8th in terms of students' pay packages. The institute is also certified A grade by All India Management Association. The institute is now turned into a big corporate house as it has produced thousands of students with modern management mantras from the management gurus and leading business managers. Why should you take admission in Ishan? The noticeable reason for being a part of Ishan is its development of integrated systems, which enables one to face global challenges. Round the calendar, co-curricular activities are part of integrated syllabus that caters to the need of modern market. From the day of joining the institute, the students are made to undertake several projects which help them to cope with the challenges in the global world. These are Business Study Project, RTI Project, Capital Market Project, Corporate Relationship Project, Commodity Market Project, Business Geography Project, Retail Market Project, Marketing Research Project, Mock Parliament, Religion and Culture Study Project, and Industry Projects.
They study the three golden rules of accounts, and those are: number one, debit, what comes in, and
When we are talking about the capital investment means the difference which are
The quality professors, management gurus, and business leaders help students to exercise their analytical skills and an interactive platform where the hidden potential of the budding managers are dug out, and the experts also help them in making more confident and thinking out of the box to deal with the practical problem typical to the corporate world.
Ishan Institute has imbibed so many changes in my attitude. Now I am ready to face all the challenges in corporate world.
This is Ishan's seminar and conference hall. Guest lectures, panel discussions by eminent personalities are often held here. And also, the seminars, the workshops, and the management debates happen here on a regular basis.
Regular interactions among the teachers during conferences, seminars, research paper presentation, and discussions broadened the boundaries of knowledge. Several meetings among the faculties, staff, and other members of the Ishan takes place on a regular basis for discussing issues regarding the course curriculum, development and growth of every student, environment, maintaining relation with corporate houses, and several other issues. Apart from that, national and international seminars are organized for benefiting students. And various talk shows are conducted on different topics. The institute publishes a quarterly journal, Anant, for providing up-to-date information about the institute and the global world. Every year, Ishan invites foreign diplomats and ambassadors and holds lectures in its campus. The lecture helps in broad information about the developments taking place abroad and job opportunities over there. The curriculum of Ishan has been designed so well that it provides a great perspective for going abroad, and several students have got good placements. The college also organizes foreign tours for the students to give them a global exposure. The students are taken to several countries round the year. Library forms the integral part and backbone of any educational institute. Ishan's library gives a complete feeling of educational environment with a spacious hall and collection of more than 15,000 books and professional magazines on different subjects, as well as theses and projects on different issues.
Quality knowledge comes from quality study material. Here at Ishan, I can get all it takes to improve my knowledge base and to grow my personality.
With subscriptions of specialized journals from India and abroad, the library lures the students to spend more time over here. The institute is also a member of DELNet for borrowing and sharing of special books, journals, national and international magazines and programs. The digital library of the institute has a good collection of CDs and DVDs on case studies, research projects, and journals that students can refer to.
I am doing a marketing project for a corporate, and here in Ishan Library I can easily access many types of journals, books regarding my project.
Today, isn't computer the most potent weapon in the hands of a manager? That's why Ishan's Computer Center is having state-of-the-art hardware and software resources.
Computers plays a key role in management and technical education. The Computer Center of Ishan Institute of Management and Technology has more than 200 of computer and 350 laptops for doing practicals, experiment and other projects round the clock. All the computers are uploaded with latest softwares and hardwares.
This is the place through which we get connected to the outer world, that is our IT lab, where we are provided with Wi-Fi and all the latest softwares required for the completion of our projects. That is, it is a complete package of fun, learning and training.
To give the live feeling of the stock market, a mock stock market is organized every year in the campus to produce a real environment of share trading.
हमारे स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पर एक मॉक कैपिटल मार्केट कर रहे हैं। ये सब एक दूसरे को शेयर्स बेच रहे हैं। सभी ने 1-1 लाख रुपए शेयर्स में मॉक इन्वेस्टमेंट किया हुआ है और अब पता चलेगा कि कौन कितना प्रॉफिट कमाता है, कौन कितने लॉस में है। सबको 1 महीने से स्टॉक एक्सचेंज की पूरी नॉलेज है और सब इकोनॉमिक टाइम्स और रिलेटेड न्यूज़पेपर्स को पढ़ते हैं और सब ये इस तरह से दौड़ के अपनी कैपिटल बनाने में लगे हुए हैं, बिकॉज द फ्यूचर ऑफ इंडस्ट्री विल बी विद देम. This is a mock stock exchange. You see, it is a floor trading. Everyone is trading on floor, and they are very much busy in realization of their investments.
Recently, Ishan organized an 84-hour continuous classroom program with 45 students. The program was named I Am Possible, which really sounded impossible for everyone. But for Ishanian, it meant something else, and they really perceived the program as I Am Possible, where even giving 100% was not sufficient. Mission I Am Possible included series of lectures on team building, communication, leadership, attitude, brainstorming sessions, group discussions, and many more. Many management games were also organized in the workshop during 84-hour continuous classroom program to sharpen the memory of students, which would help them in applying skills and learning under pressure without any feeling of stress. The program also included movie screening, case studies, presentations, and meditations. Extracurricular activities can empower students to make their own decisions and help them gain vital experience and skills to lead themselves on the path of their successful career. The importance of extracurricular activities is emphasized at Ishan Institute through numerous activities, as it helps in the overall personality development. Mr. and Miss City Fashion Show is organized at Ishan to develop positive attitude and winning spirit among the students, other than increasing their confidence level. Annual Cultural Festival, Kshitij, is organized to involve students in various events which takes place and helps in bringing the hidden talent of the future managers. The various competitions are organized to present the vibrant culture of the entire nation. Foundation Day of Ishan is celebrated every year on August 11 with positive energy and enthusiasm. A day-long celebration is witnessed by many dignitaries, guests, parents, staffs, and students, where number of activities are organized. Every year, Ishan honors eminent personalities with Ishan National Award for their contribution towards society. Campus life at Ishan is very energetic. Apart from the several activities organized every year, yoga and meditation are regular features which are guided by Dr. Garg himself. Havan ceremony is organized as part of campus culture in order to make the students believe in the power of Almighty.
Students at Ishan have to cope with an intense curriculum. That's why Ishan lays lot of emphasis on the total physical and mental fitness. After all, healthy mind lives only in a healthy body. So let's see the gym here.
The mental fitness must be accompanied by physical fitness, and for that, the gym at Ishan is well equipped. The gym has all the modern equipments and machines like treadmills, ab rollers, exerbikes, pull-up and push-up machines, etc. for doing all kinds of exercises. The trainer at gym takes care of every individual in maintaining their health. Many kinds of games and sports energize and recharge the mind of modern managers. These include several games and sports activities: football, basketball, volleyball, snooker, and so on. The home away from home feeling is felt at Mess of Ishan Institute, where students enjoy different meals of the day with a wide range of menu. The food available in the Mess of Ishan is fully hygienic, and there are separate teams for ensuring the quality of food. Ishan Hostel has well-developed infrastructure and state-of-art facilities. The living experience at Ishan is very fascinating. The rooms are well maintained and taken care by hostel wardens. The hostel is equipped with furnitures, power backup facility, and provides a wholesome living apart from providing excellent disciplined study environment. There is enough open space for refreshing the minds and showcasing their hobbies. The Convocation Day at Ishan is celebrated wherein students are awarded with degrees and diplomas in different programs. The Convocation Day is a proud feeling for the students and the institutes which remains associated with them throughout their life. Alumni meetings are organized to show the representatives of the institute. The Ishan alumni community serves as an intellectual and professional home base for its graduates throughout their careers. The alumni also serve as ambassador of Ishan for the outside world. They give the feedback about the developments taking place and the job opportunities round the globe with their experience of working with multinationals, banks and consultancies. It also helps in establishing a bonding relation between Ishan and Ishani. Ishan has history of producing professionals in the form of business managers, CEOs, entrepreneur, finance managers, HR managers and many more.
Ishan is not only an institute, it's a family. Ishan, as the word signifies morning, as the first ray of sunlight removes the darkness of night, in the same way, Ishan has been removing the darkness from the corporate world by creating future leaders.
Ishan's HRD network is quite strong. The placement of students are a result of its association with more than 500 corporate under its HRD network.
Our purpose is to help students to discover their potential qualities and strengths and to help them to achieve their targets and to reach at the top positions and at affordable fees with a good and qualitative input without giving any fake assurances. We believe that students with good qualities and with good fundamental basis can achieve the target in his career. And Ishan Institute is the best place for them for their industrial growth, not only at Indian level but also at global level.
The glorious history of Ishan can be evaluated with the number of awards and certificates it got from various institutions and government organizations. The Ishan is also an ISO 9001-2000 and ISO 14001-2004 certified institute. The postgraduate diploma in management is equivalent to MBA as per approval of All India Council of Technical Education, New Delhi.